How to create a customized progress meter in Adobe Captivate Quiz Slide. Let me preview the project.
If we click the correct option, then the progress bar will show green tick. If we click the wrong option, then the progress bar will show red cross mark. Again, we check with all wrong click as well as correct click. We used execute advance action for each of the option in Quiz Slide. It's pretty easy with Adobe Captivate. It's all about different states and how to use advance action for multiple choice question along with true or false. Inserted the simple square shape. I added 2 new custom state. One for correct answer and another one for wrong options in the quiz slide. Selected the wrong option and go to option in the property bar. Click on the advance answer option. Go to advance option and create a simple action. Change the state of smart shape to wrong state as we created when the learner clicked this option. Create another advanced action for correct option in the quiz slide. Change the state of same smart shape to correct state when learner select the correct option. Followed the same procedure for all options in the next slide. Advanced actions allow us to execute some complex tasks and workflows in the Captivate project when an event is triggered or when certain conditions are met. But we don't have an advanced answer option in the true or false questions. We can execute the advance action in the On the Success Action tab, as well as in the Last Attempt tab, and keep the square smart shape till the rest of the project. A simple standard actions allow us to execute an action when an event is triggered. Subscribe my channel for new 5 minutes tutorial in Adobe Captivate.